Hello everyone, Rohit this side from Diggaz Realty. Today we are at the upcoming development from Abhee Developers, which is located near this Kudlu Gate area. And right now we are standing in front of the model apartment of 1720 square feet, which I will show you today. So this is the living as well as the dining room, which is measured as 28.9 by 11 square feet. And the living as well as the dining room comes with an attached balcony. The dimension of the balcony is 6 by 11. So coming to the kitchen area, this is a spacious kitchen of 9.6 by 12 square feet, which comes with an attached utility area as well, 4 by 8 square feet. Just outside the utility area, you will get a basin point, and just beside the basin, you will get the master bedroom, which will come with a wooden laminated tiles. The dimension of the master bedroom will be 14.6 by 12, which comes with an attached washroom of 5 by 8. Just with the living as well as the dining room, we have an attached washroom, which comes with the fittings from Jaguar. Coming to the other bedrooms, this is one bedroom which have an attached balcony. This room is measured as 12.6 by 11 and the balcony is measured as 5 by 11. Coming to the third room, which is just in front of the other room as well, this is also measured as 11.6 by 12, which comes with an attached washroom. Same dimension, 5 by 8, with the fittings from Jaguar. So the total land parcel of this project is 1.7 acres and there are total 96 units coming up. So the construction structure will be G+4, and the location, if you are asking, so it's just in the middle of Sarjapur Road as well as the Haralur Road. From here the metro station will be only 1.4 kilometers, that is the Kudlu Gate area, and the upcoming metro line is also coming, that is on the Sarjapura Road from Heppal to Sarjapura. For more details regarding brochure, price and everything, please contact on the given number below, or you can WhatsApp us anytime.